Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone, and this is Tony's equipment from California. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now Tony's got a note with this unit, and he's talking about the bell does not ring. So we want to troubleshoot the bell and bell circuit. We also want to go through the network. We want to make sure that all the wiring is proper and that it's tight. We're going to go through the hook switch. We want to troubleshoot the transmit, the receive. We also want to go through the rotary dial. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial, and so we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. And we also want to put a little bit of curl back into our handset cord at each end where it's come unraveled a little bit or the curl is not there like it should be. So we'll take care of that issue. We're going to go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time. And release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now we also want to run through a little bit about what went on. We troubleshooted the bell and we had to adjust the bell. Now we also want to mention that an older style telephone with the older style telephone bells will pull more REN out of the telephone line on a ring cycle than a newer modern telephone. So as long as the telephone line is within standards on a ring cycle, there should be no issue with this telephone ringing. We also found that the number plate for the Rotary was really loose, so that was taken care of. We went ahead and repaired the issue with the handset cord, and we found a bad connection at the network. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on the Rotary now. We're going to end in a 2. Now we want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on our ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, August 7th. The current time, 10:34 p.m. And the temperature, 73 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Tony and they can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618 235 6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.